Now that we've applied processing to our NMR spectra, we can take the next step, reading the peaks and multiplets directly from the spectrum. This lets us extract detailed information for further analysis, reporting, or even automation. Let's see how this works in practice. As always, we start by importing the required modules and setting up our main function. We'll use document plugin to access the document, an NMR item to work with the NMR spectra. Initialize the document plugin object. Get the active document. Iterate through the pages in the document. Access each item on the page. Check if the item is an NMR item. Cast the item to an NMR item. Get the spectrum from the NMR item. At the end of the main function, we add 2 function calls to print information about the peaks and multiplets for each spectrum. We'll only do this for 1D proton spectra. Print peaks and multiplets if the spectrum is 1D, 1H NMR. The print peaks function retrieves the list of peaks and displays how many peaks are present in the spectrum. Get the peak list. Next, it prints the chemical shift of the first 10 peaks, giving you a quick overview of the main signals. Print information about the first 10 peaks. The print multiplets function works in a similar way. It gets the list of multiplets and shows how many were found. Get the multiplet list. Then, for each multiplet, it prints out its name, category, and chemical shift, so you can see the key features at a glance. Print information about the multiplets. Print some information about it. And finally, don't forget to include the standard Python entry point so your script runs when executed. By running this script on the active document, you will immediately see detailed information about the peaks and multiplets in your spectrum. With this script, you can quickly extract and review the peaks and multiplets from your processed NMR spectra. This is a powerful way to automate your analysis and ensure you never miss important details in your data. Try running this script on your own spectra and see how much information you can uncover with just a few lines of Python.